Hi everyone, Mike from North52 here. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate a formula that will tell a user how many open cases their company has open whenever a user begins to create a case. However, in this scenario, this company operates over many different countries, so we wish to display this message in the user's language. For this video, we'll presume that you have at least English and French installed on the portal and on the CRM system. For information on how to do this, please see the links below. To get started, we need two Xcache records, one with the English message and language key, and one with the French versions, like so. Note that they are identical to each other except for the language key and message. This allows for North52 to choose the correct Xcache depending on which language key is being used by the user. Next, let's take a look at the formula. This formula runs off of the case entity, and we can see that it is triggered when the case type is changed or whenever there is a load event. By scrolling up, we can see that it has been set for the portal form, and by expanding deployment, we can see that the portal deployment has been set to our portal like so. On the decision table here, we can see that the formula checks to see if the customer has been chosen. If it has, and the count of open cases is greater than 0, we set to notification. This notification strings together both the correct language message and the count of open cases and displays it on the form. So, to see this formula in action, let's open up a case submission form. When we open this form in English, we see this. And then when we open the form signed in as a user with French settings selected, we see this. This has been a North52 video. If you liked it, you can see more videos or read our knowledge base articles at support.north52.com.